right, guys, so I finished with my ground, and now I'm going to go back to my sky, and I'm going to look at Vincent van Gogh's Starry Night as inspiration, because I want to incorporate his lines and dashes and his short strokes of color, his stars. I want to incorporate this into my mulberry tree. All right, so what I'm going to do first is I'm actually going to be using some oil pastels. Now again, boys and girls, if you do not have oil pastels, please use crayons or markers, whatever you have at home. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my yellow pastel, and I'm gonna go in and make some stars. So that's usually what I do first whenever I am going to make a sky. I always start with my stars, so do some random stars, different places. And I usually do that by making a little dot and then some dashes around it so it looks like a really big star. All right, and I know it's kind of hard to see because of our sky, but that's okay. And if you're using markers at home, that might be even better than what I chose. All right, and then maybe a little moon here. And I'm gonna go in with some dashes around it. All right, so I've finished with my stars. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna add a darker blue and get some, maybe some spirals on there or some more dashes. So I'm just gonna work the oil pastel, work these dashes, and create a spiral shape out of it. I love using the Starry Night for my art lessons because it's so much fun, and the colors, I just love it. All right, and then I can work maybe some more dashes up here. Maybe my dashes are going through the tree, so the wind is kind of overlapping. All right, so I just worked some dashes up there. Let's see, I'm gonna even go in with a darker blue and see how that goes. All right, and then I'm gonna come over here and do some more. Maybe another spiral over here, so you can definitely overlap that tree if you would like. All right, and then let's see, I'm gonna see if this purple works. So as you can tell, I'm working with my cool colors since I went with a cool colored background. So I just did the same thing with my dashes. But our dashes are really like finishing touches to our mulberry trees. Also, what I'm going to do is kind of go down at the bottom and work some more of my oil pastel. So if you are using like markers, you can use your markers again and just kind of keep layering these colors over it. Okay. All right, and I'm going to take some brown. Remember we talked about Vincent van Gogh using short, quick brush strokes of color. So we're just trying to incorporate that into our artwork since we were definitely using Vincent van Gogh as inspiration. But all right, boys and girls, so that is my completed mulberry tree. So the very last thing that we are doing today is just going in, adding our sky, coloring our sky. Think about if you want it to be daytime or nighttime, then choose your colors, maybe create a nice blend. Then you're working on your ground. Think of those earth tone colors. Again, short, quick strokes of color to go in, and then add those finishing details, incorporating our starry night. All right, guys, so I cannot wait to see your finished mulberry trees. I hope you had as much fun as I did. I'm just super excited to see your masterpieces. So do not forget to take a picture of your artwork and to submit in Schoology. This is going to be your first grade in Schoology for the second 9 weeks. So just make sure that you're taking that picture and turning it into Schoology. All right, guys. So again, I hope you had fun, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.